और मुझे बहुत डाँट पड़ा हुआ है बचपन में, मार भी पड़ा हुआ है। आई ऑल्सो वेंट थ्रू सम very depressing years because I lost one of my child. I had offers from across all companies that time, be it any company that you talk of. But then I chose that no, I want to be in practice. My training was under her, and every night that I went home, I used to say, I'm not going to go to office tomorrow because I get a lot of scolding. बहुत हो गया. So in those times, I used to put myself with a target of कि मुझे आज 500 रुपए per day कमाना है. अभी जो हम अपने ट्रेनीज में भी देखते हैं, पीपल हु कम, दे वांट टू फील दैट अभी अभी अच्छा तुरंत एकदम क्वालिटी काम, एंड एवरीथिंग इज अ क्वालिटी वर्क. Like I'm a person who believes that everything in its place and a place for everything. So I think this discipline also comes a lot from observing people, from getting to play multifarious roles in your school times. So I think that has gained me a lot of foothold in the market in the initial years.
So, ma'am, first of all, thank you so much for doing this, and would like to first talk to you about your childhood. Like, how was your childhood like, and स्कूलिंग आपकी कहाँ पर हुई, किस तरीके से आपने अपनी पढ़ाई को परसू करा, द काइंड ऑफ kid you were in the school. So we'd like to first start with this, so please share your like insights on this.
I'm first and foremost very grateful to Harsh and Siddharth for having me with all of you. And this, I take it as an opportunity to really connect with all of you, the students and the budding professionals who will be listening to this podcast. So thanks for this opportunity, because every dot that we join together actually creates a huge line. And if I am just a part of that line, it is actually very elevating for me too. As a part of the question that you asked me about
Yeah.
my childhood, etc., I understand why this question comes at the foremost, because that is how that has an impact on also the growth of a person as a professional, and most importantly as a human being. So I must tell you that I had a very playful
Yeah.
childhood, because these days, the generation that we see today, even in my child and all, my child may have also seen the playground and played over there, but now that we see in our grandchildren, which we will see and I'm seeing in other families, people, the children don't go out to play at all. It's all about mobile, it's all about video games. So the trajectory of playing has really changed. But specifically, actually, I lived in quite a neighborhood where we had trees, we had mango trees, and we had those big pillars on which we used to climb and get up the tree. So I had a childhood which was like semi urban, though living in a very urban upmarket building, but then it was actually located in such a way, because that time there were not too many buildings, so we had a lot of these greenery, a very big playground, and a very huge neighborhood where every neighbor was like a extended family. So going to their family, we had one TV where every person, like my house had a TV, black and white that time. So everybody used to come and watch Chitrahar. You would not even know that we had Chitrahar, Doordarshan, and that Nirma ad. When the Nirma ad, washing powder Nirma used to come, then we used to know now this, something is Bunyad is going to begin, etc. So that is the kind of childhood that I had. So I think that somewhat actually also probably, though not so visibly, but I think unconsciously you pick up so many aspects of sharing, caring, of talking to people, of connecting with people, because that is how it is. You're just, mom is always sending you to some work or the other, and the whole mohalla knows you by some small name. Like I was known as Munni in my Pada, that was known as Pada in Bengal, the
Right.
area, the locality. So they used to call me, oh, see, she's coming, okay, she's very hardworking. So I think my childhood was like very playful, and I was very fond of studies from quite early days, but I was also fond of very much playing, and I was a very person who used to get connected with people very well, very quickly. I was very affable.
Right. Right, right, right. So this is the like the quality that you have mentioned of getting connected to the people. This is what I observed at that conference also, to be very honest with you, because everyone was in awe of like CS Mamta Binani, right? Everyone wants to connect with you. They want to come and they want to talk to you. That is the like kind of persona you have, and that is what I observed. And this is how I, just asked them. And to be very honest, ma'am, I was a part of several groups at the conference, because what happens is कि दिल्ली वाले पीसीएस है तो उनका एक
Right.
ग्रुप हो गया, मुंबई वाले पीसीएस है तो उनका ग्रुप हो गया एक. सो आई वाज लाइक बिटवीन ऑल द ग्रुप्स कि हाँ चलो थोड़ा सा इधर भी जाते हैं, थोड़ा सा इधर भी जाते हैं, बिकॉज वो मेरी
Okay.
पहली कॉन्फ्रेंस थी इन पर्सन आईसीएसआई. सो आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड कि यार कैसे मिलते हैं, वो कार्ड कैसे
I
देते हैं सब लोग. एंड मेरे को भी
Okay.
कार्ड दिए गए, बिकॉज दे वर थिंकिंग कि मैं भी पीसीएस हूँ, बट आई वाज लाइक अ स्टूडेंट. तो जब मैं उन ग्रुप्स का भी पार्ट था ना, आई
Hmm.
हर्ड अबाउट यू, लाइक दे आर
Okay.
टॉकिंग अबाउट यू. सो आई थिंक कि
Okay.
जो आपने अभी मेंशन करा, समवेयर डाउन द लाइन उसका ओरिजिन लाइज इन इन
Yeah.
योर चाइल्डहुड इज लाइक वेल, लाइक एम आई राइट इन सेइंग दिस? You think so?
Yes, absolutely. And I was absolutely in a Bengali environment, in the sense we are not Bengalis. Like
Hmm.
I come from Rajasthan. I hail from Rajasthan, though I am born and brought up in Calcutta. But gradually I also picked up the language very well. I picked up how to read and write. Just it was not my first language or second language in school. I come from Ashok Hall Girls High School, so but I used to talk to people so much that I picked up that language so very well that even now, when my spouse and me sometimes travel in a public vehicle, drivers ask him that आप तो मारवाड़ी लगते हो, आप आपकी वाइफ बंगाली है क्या? So like I picked up the language and the culture. So I even I can just connect to a third person in a second's time.
Okay, yeah. So, like, ma'am, just like इसी चीज पे we'll talk about it when we'll come to the professional part. हम जब उस segment पे आएंगे,
Right.
because I think this is a very important quality for a student, like how to
Hmm.
form relationships.
Correct.
So we'll talk about it later on. But the next thing that I wanted to ask is why commerce? Like why you chose commerce, and then how you get to know about CS. क्या आपको जरूरत पड़ी रिसर्च करने की, बिकॉज उस टाइम पे देयर वर not so much of resources available. So like, can you like share a bit about that also?
But first, permit me to be just rock solid honest, because I want to just say what it is. Because you've
Yeah,
picked
yeah,
up a
sure.
person for an interview who belongs to that era of which you all
Yeah,
cannot even relate to much.
yeah,
So that was way back in 1993 or two, maybe 1993 rather. So
yeah,
that was the time when CS was just kind of people were hearing about it, talking about it. और हम लोगों को जब भी सीएस के बारे में कुछ बात करना होता था तो यू वी यूज्ड टू से सीए जैसा कुछ है,
yeah, right,
because
right.
yes was like still like it was just growing and people were coming to know about it. So I how I got admitted was I was just fortunate to be in a friend circle where people were talking of higher studies, etc. So accidentally there was one person whom now I am married to, rather. So this person was a CA and a CS, or he was pursuing. I don't recollect so much, but he was pursuing, and he was always talking of the CS and the CA course.
Okay.
And then I just decided to go to the institute and find out more. So we went physically because that was a time when everything was going and finding it out. So when I went physically, I got very interested because I was quite a person who was logical headed, and I was very I was very young. I mean, just 2021. That's how it is, 19, 20, 21. In fact, I got married at a very early age. I got
Yeah,
married at the
right,
age of 22.
right,
So I had just given my CS inter and I got married. So, anyways, going back to that point of did I? So it was like kind of a herd mentality where
right.
some people were joining, so even I joined, kind of thing. So not so much researched, but we also saw that it was not very expensive,
Okay,
because
right,
that was a time when even today the CS course is a boon for people who can't spend a lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, or maybe 40 lakhs for their career, but the upside is very huge. So if
right,
you see the trajectory of putting in the money to do the course, and the kind of rewards that we have, even monetarily, it's very disproportionate. The
Right.
rewards are very high. So that was a time when it was not very expensive, was also one of the criteria. And second criteria was also that it was not something for which parents used to think that she has to go to college every time. So it was a
Hmm.
distance learning course. So that
Hmm.
was another attraction, because that was a time when parents, like today's parents, are very well, they do know so many things. With that time, the parents were only struggling to meet the ends, rather than thinking about anything else. I was fortunate, like we did not had such so much encountering with meeting the ends. We were very comfortable, but at the
Hmm.
same time, there was this feeling that okay, अब बड़ी हो रही है तो इसका शादी करना है, because that is how it is. And we were two sisters, so मेरा होगा तभी मेरी छोटी sister का भी होगा.
Right.
But luckily, my parents were the sort that they always made us study, and my father mother always treated me as, and my younger daughter, my younger sister, as only thinking that they are sons to me, and they need to be given education. But at the same time, all these considerations were also very high on the mind, that this is distance learning, it's not very expensive, calcutta mein ghar mein baith ke bhi पढ़ सकते हैं. And then
Right.
I also told to find out about the tuitions etc, because everybody जो बोल रहे थे सब ये बोल रहे थे कि कुछ तो हेल्प चाहिएगा. So
Hmm.
then
Hmm.
we found out that the institute premises was also very close to where I stayed during
Okay.
my maiden times. So that all actually culminated, and the
Yeah.
tuitions were also not too expensive that time. So I did not take tuitions from the private tutors. I went to the institute premises to take tuitions. So that was also a safety angle was also there. That okay, this is safe. She's going to the institute. She will not go to any private because that was a time when parents used to like दुपट्टा लेके बाहर निकलो, टाइम
Right.
से घर आ जाओ, 6 बजे के अंदर, 5 बजे के अंदर, सूरज ढलने के पहले यू शुड बी होम. So of course those were intact, but at the same time my parents were very eager that I should continue my education.
Right. Right. So, आई मीन, जो आपने चीजें बोली उस टाइम के, जो ये सारी चीजें थी, आई ऑल्सो लाइक हर्ट दिस फ्रॉम माय ग्रैंडफादर एज वेल, बिकॉज उन्होंने भी, मतलब हम जैसे, उनके भी चार भाई हैं वो सब, तो उसमें भी उन्होंने ही सिर्फ पढ़ाई करी है. एंड ही इज
Hmm.
द ओनली इंजीनियर जिसको कि भेल में जॉब मिली, एंड वहां से वो एज अ मैनेजर रिटायर हुए. तो लाइक वॉट एवर यू सेड, इट्स ट्रू कि उस टाइम पर किस तरीके
Yeah.
से. बट जो एक मेरे को पॉइंट में इससे आपसे मतलब जानना था या समझने की कोशिश करनी थी कि अ, इससे ये समझ में आता है कि आप किसी चीज को चुनते हो, फिर उसके बाद में आपका इंटरेस्ट उसमें डेवलप हो सकता है. आई मीन, मे बी जो भी आपके सर्कमस्टांसेस रहे हो उसके उस टाइम पर व्हेन यू आर चूजिंग दैट, और मे बी यू आर फोर्स्ड टू चूज दैट, जो भी चीजें हुई हो, बट उसके बाद में जब आप उसमें काम करते हो तो आपका इंटरेस्ट डेवलप हो सकता है, एंड देन यू कैन बी एट द एपिटम ऑफ लाइक दैट कोर्स.
Absolutely.
तो लाइक
Yeah.
व्हाट डू यू थिंक अराउंड दिस कि आपने जो उस टाइम पे चालू करा, यू आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट, एंड यू आर लाइक देयर वर अदर फैक्टर्स जो भी, जिन्होंने भी कंट्रीब्यूट करा टुवर्ड्स दिस, एंड नाउ यू आर सिटिंग एट लाइक, मतलब बोल भी नहीं सकते. तो
नहीं,
uh,
हाँ, एक बात है, आई वाज़ ऑलवेज़ वेरी कीन स्टूडेंट इन स्कूल, लाइक फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ में आ जाती थी. तो आई वाज़ क्वाइट अ पर्सन हू वाज़ स्टूडियस. तो और बुक्स मुझे हमेशा अच्छे लगते थे. मतलब माय मदर यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज से कि इसका अगर बेड है तो ये बिखरा हुआ ही रहेगा. लाइक ऑलवेज आई यूज्ड टू हैड वन बुक इन माय हैंड. शी यूज्ड टू गेट पर्टर्ब्ड आल्सो दैट यू डोंट स्टडी द होल डे, बट तुम्हारी किताबें बिखरी रहती है.
hmm,
So, I was always that type. CS, when I saw the course material, like business management, etc., we had at that point in time. So that was very interesting. Economic laws, they were very interesting. So that way, I actually did that much research कि भाई इसमें क्या subjects है. Maths तो ज़्यादा नहीं है ना. Like I was a little not so much intrigued with mathematics at that point in time. तो
right.
थोड़ा बहुत मैंने रिसर्च करके मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि आई विल बी प्रीटी गुड एट इट, एंड आई वाज very good in writing. My writing skills were anyways developed, and I was good in speaking because I was the monitor and the headmistress, etc., in my school and the college days. So that way, all these faculties actually also led me to take up this course. I never went for CA because I thought कि ये मेरे से हो नहीं पाएगा. But CS was something which I हो नहीं पाएगा in the sense I felt this is I could connect with CS immediately because of the
Right.
course material.
Right.
And that was a point in time when everybody used to say कि अगर आप कोर्स मटेरियल अच्छे से पढ़ लिए So there's nothing which will stop you to get past.
Right.
So as being studious, I was quite keen otherwise.
राइट राइट सो अल्टीमेटली जो आप कीन वाली चीज बोल रहे हो लाइक इट शोज योर
हाँ,
पर्सनालिटी में आपकी पर्सनालिटी में दिखता है that आप जब बात भी करते हैं सारी चीजें अबाउट योर स्पीकिंग एंड राइटिंग स्किल्स सो वो सारी चीजें लाइक वी आर ऑल वेरी मच अवेयर ऑफ इट जो आपके आर्टिकल्स वगैरह हैं वो सारी चीज सो सिद्धार्थ लाइक
thank you.
इफ यू वुड लाइक टू आस्क एनीथिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू चाइल्डहुड सेगमेंट
Yes, ma'am. I just have one very particular question. So, as growing up, every kid, they tend to not participate in something called as extracurriculars. I mean, you go out, you play, you
Hmm.
participate in different kind of competitions. Now, it's a trend nowadays. Everyone says that the first failure you see is in professional courses. You enter a professional course, and then
Hmm.
that's the first time someone will, fail you or something. But I personally believe once you start playing out any sports or be in an extracurricular activity, you see failure very regularly, on regular basis. I mean, you're preparing for something, 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 and then you fail, or you're not able to achieve what you went out for. So, have were you very indulged in extracurriculars? Did it ever reckon that I have given everything, but then I couldn't make it at such a young age, or it's just post your qualifications and everything? Because I believe when we were researching,
I understand.
yes, ma'am. So
Yeah. Thank you, Siddharth, for that question. So I was very, very, very keenly interested in extracurricular because आजकल तो होता ही नहीं है classes में. But in our school, I was from Ashok Hall, as I mentioned, Ashok Hall Girls High School. So they had this SUPW,
right,
okay, extracurricular. That is how they used to call it. And in that, I had taken drama for 4 5 years, and then I had taken other. I don't recollect. I had taken some craft, etc. But drama was something I think which shaped me quite a lot because the stage fright was gone from very early days because when you're in drama you are always forced to come and speak on a singular basis also and in a group, so the group coordination etc I think got developed because of that also to some extent. And drama also I think the stage fright was it was very helpful to take that out. And I got very marquee roles in the sense मेरे को याद है रानी लक्ष्मीबाई के शायद दादाजी बनी थी मैं बहुत अर्ली एज में. तो दैट वाज अ वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कैरेक्टर इन द सेंस दैट टू एट दैट एज टू कैरी. But I remember I had got a prize and I had done quite well. So that is one aspect. Second, I was quite house captain of my house for sports for quite a number of times. So I used to play this throw ball pretty well. एंड मार्च पास्ट में तो मेरे को हमेशा मतलब मैम हमेशा आगे रखती थी बिकॉज नॉट ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ माई हाइट आई एम नॉट टू टॉल but also because of the perfection with which I because you have to be perfect when you're just leading the march past. So I think I was very from I'm a very disciplined person. Like I'm a person who believes that everything in its place and a place for everything. So I'm that disciplined. So even if a book is kept, I'll always want to be kept straight, and it's not like triangular or a like I'm that. Even if you see my refrigerator, a softer part of a small thing to speak on, but I like to keep my all my vessels and things properly stacked, etc. I don't like it is like here and there. So I think this discipline also comes a lot from observing people, from getting to play multifarious roles in your school times, because that is the time when you actually pick up things maybe unconsciously or subconsciously, but then that helps a lot. Plus I was very good in Sanskrit. So Sanskrit was my I think second language. Up to class 8 we had it. So that was also something which shaped me in the sense that it was tough. And हिंदी also was very good. That it was tough. हिंदी ज़्यादा कोई मतलब सब इंग्लिश में हम लोग पढ़ते हैं तो इंग्लिश थोड़ी इजी लगती है. So I was someone who used to spend a lot of time in my studies. और मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ा हुआ है बचपन में, मार भी पड़ा हुआ है. So that time my teacher जो घर में पढ़ाने आते थे, ट्यूशन टीचर, प्राइवेट टीचर, ही यूज्ड टू, आई रिमेंबर, बी वेरी पर्टिकुलर, 6 से 8 या 9 हमें पढ़ना पड़ता ही था. Chai heaven will fall, hell will go loose. But the discipline in the house was because he used to come every day. और 6 बजे आते थे, 8 साढ़े 8 तक जाते थे, और अगर वो आ गए और मैं पढ़ने बैठी भी नहीं हूँ, तो आप समझ लो उंगली के बीच में पेंसिल रख के ऑल दैट, तो आज के दिन तो आप सोच भी नहीं सकते. So I had an aluminum box, I remember, which I used to keep it at home with all my books. He used to make me stand in 1 feet with the box on my head. So I encountered all. मेरी मम्मी कुछ कभी बोलती थी आप कुछ भी इसको कर सकते हैं, बट जस्ट आज हम लोग इतना एंगेज हो जाते हैं, इंडल्ज हो जाते हैं ना, कि उस समय टीचर्स यूज्ड टू बी लाइक आवर गुरुज. सो आवर
Right.
पेरेंट्स यूज्ड टू जस्ट गिव इट टू देम एंड से कि बस आप इसको इंसान बना दीजिए.
हाँ.
So I think all that has helped me to get myself also disciplined, because मार का डर लगता था, सर आ जाएंगे, अरे पढ़ने बैठ जाओ. तो कुछ पढ़ रहे या नहीं पढ़ रहे, बट 8:30 तक आपको पढ़ने बैठना ही है. सो लोड शेडिंग होते थे उस समय बहुत, आई रिमेम्बर. तो भी लैंटर्न में भी हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, तो कुछ भी हो जाए, मतलब पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा ही. So I think that all has like made me also very disciplined, and I'm so happy that I endured all of it.
Right. Right.
Right, right. So of course, I mean, it all reflects now. Like, I mean, now putting in the hard work is not that tough, because you've been
Yeah.
conditioned that way. You've grown that way.
True.
Right. So now, ma'am, we would just like to talk about a little. So we were while researching, we were made to understand that you wrapped up this course post your marriage. So you gave the inter stage, and then you gave the final after getting married. So I mean, there is definitely a huge audience base who does that. There are a lot of women out there who get married and then go on continuing their courses. So is there any difference once you're married and you're a homemaker? Homemaker is a full-time job. I mean, you cannot avoid anything. You have to take care of your household. So how was the experience? I mean, it's as good as being occupied in a job and preparing for the examinations. So
Yeah. So that's a very valid question, but I don't know how much valid it is for today's generation, because now, like, getting married is like just moving from one house to another, and you're having the same comfort and same kind of everything is just the same. You in fact grow more richer because you have got two sets of parents and
right,
two homes to stroll. But otherwise, of course, in our days, it was not so, and I think that is how it was. So there are no qualms, no complaints. So I moved from a very nuclear family of four, like me, mom, dad, and my sister, to a family which was absolutely joined in nature. And at that age, so much you don't have so much of otherwise a kind of knowledge. Nowadays, you're more exposed, and you already become 27, 28 by the time you get married, so your mental acumen is also supporting, though it has its own. Let's not get into that, that's not the moot point. So may I just tell you one thing? It's all in your mind, actually. How much you are able or you want to take it is all on you. So things definitely was very, very difficult, and I think I thank God for making it so difficult, because that is what has actually shaped me, if I be very, very honest. Because once you struggle to become, आपको जब आपको कोई तराशा जाता है और आपको जब रगड़ा जाता है ना, तभी आप निखर के आते हो एज अ डायमंड. सो वो सारी स्थितियां मैंने देख ली है अपने लाइफ में. और फिर भी आई वेंट थ्रू माई मदरहुड. आई ऑल्सो वेंट थ्रू सम very depressing years because I lost one of my child. I then again bore another child, and then there were other phases also, because you are expected to obviously carry on all your duties, but what actually, and then I was in practice, I was not in a job. So practice has its own challenges because you are selling also subtly though, and you're also executing. And when you want to be on your feet without taking any kind of, otherwise the society is always at help, but kind of that, you're trying to pull up your own socks to make sure that you are not too much heavy on anyone. because I was pursuing my dream of having a practice, though being an all India topper, which I was in my intermediate examinations. I had offers from across all companies that time, be it any company that you talk of. But then I chose that no, I want to be in practice. So that also had its own, repercussions, because that time practicing as a CS was a quite unknown and quite a uncharted territory. Though there were practitioners, if you see my practice number is 2598, which means only 2598 people had indulged in practice at that point in time. So, and that too from Calcutta, which has its own challenges, and that too a married person, and a Marwari, okay, who comes hails with a sari. She's a sari clad person and all that. So, but I don't know. I never felt that I'll not be able to do it. I just felt that if a person जो एक कोई और व्यक्ति अगर कर सकता है तो what stops me? And
Right.
I always used to feel I have all the faculties. I have a brain, I have two hands, I have two legs. I don't know what, but there was such a pull factor which always gave me a fresh morning each day, in spite of all the odds I had by the end of the day, the last day. But every morning, I don't know where that renewed energy used to just enter my soul and my body and my mind, that I was with full vigor to just conquer the world. I don't know, and it still happens with me the same way. I
Right.
don't know what. I think God has been extremely kind to give me that vigor and zeal.
Maybe, ma'am,
So I,
it is because of the early days of struggle, because of
yeah,
that. And even I wanted to ask you this only, as a follow up question, that all the people might not have this kind of struggle, but they wanted to do something big, like they wanted to achieve. So how one can have this kind of mental conditioning? Because to my understanding, like you are absolutely right in saying that the environment conditions you, but sometimes the environment conditions you in a
yeah,
wrong way, and then
correct.
you there is a need for you to break that mental conditioning and come
Yes,
out for it. Just like, for example, I just want to quote my example, just for like a reference purpose, that no
please.
one in my family has pursued business. Like everyone is in employment only, from my grandfather, father, sister,
Okay.
everyone. So now, during my childhood days, no one used to talk about it. So I have no such mental conditioning of like how a business functions. And then suddenly you are jumping into it, you are risking it all, you are leaving things, and you are just doing it. So it was very difficult for me to break that, कि मेरे को रिस्क लेनी है, वो मैं डिसीजन जब लेता हूँ तो वो सामने चीजें आती है कि यार मेरे को लेना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए. So
Hmm.
how can one get into that mental conditioning? How one can break that thing कि नहीं यार, let's do it all, let's give a shot to this. मतलब एफर्ट्स डालते हैं, चाहे वो एम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए करें, बिजनेस के लिए, किसी भी चीज के लिए करें, बट वो मेंटल कंडीशनिंग कैसे कोई अचीव कर सकता है?
Yeah, good to know that, Harsh, and many congratulations to you and Siddharth also for embarking on this journey. Harsh, I'll tell you few things. Um, आपको ना कभी भी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए. हम प्रॉब्लम हमारे साथ अभी क्या है, which I'm seeing in everyone around, though it's not general statement, but there are exceptions. But having said that, हमें हर चीज़ की आजकल बहुत जल्दी होती है. I have been one person who's believed that I have to be consistent. मेरा अगर कोई एक गुण है तो वो है कि मैं कंसिस्टेंट रहती हूँ, और मुझे पता नहीं, मैं हमेशा एक विजन के साथ काम करती हूँ. और वो विजन जो होता है वो शॉर्ट टर्म होता है. आई मीन इन द सेंस दैट आई डोंट लुक 10 years फ्रॉम नाउ. आई हैव अ हैबिट दैट लेट मी लिव ईच डे. सो आई थिंक यार मुझे कल क्या करना है, मुझे परसों तरसों क्या करना है, दैट इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. But my immediate goal is always the immediate timeline. So I live one day at a time, and I have always felt that I have to be committed. Agar if I have said my client that I'm going to send you a mail today, I'll try and make sure in 99% cases that the mail will go today. If I have told him that it should go today. And if it is not going, then I always will send him an email or a communication that I've got stuck and I want to revise the timeline, and I'll kindly send it by tomorrow or whatever. So I think that has gained me a lot of foothold in the market in the initial years. and that is how I am today also. And second is I always believe in kind of truthfulness and candidness. So I will never tell a client that this will be done if I am very sure that ये possible नहीं है. So I will tell him that ये possible नहीं है अगर नहीं है, but I'll say him in a quite a obviously palatable manner, because a person is coming to you for a consultancy. So I have developed a name where people only come to me most of the times when they're stuck elsewhere. So when they feel that it's a jaundice case, so now they come to me because they feel, okay, some solution she'll be able to give, and that too she'll be honest. She'll not be like somebody who will take advantage of the situation.
Right.
So I'm a person who never, I'll forego some of my fees for that matter, but I will never, I'll never be dishonest and not try to rob him off. Because I've always felt that पैसा किसी के पास भी आता है तो बहुत तकलीफ से ही आता है.
Right.
एक बिजनेसमैन भी है तो भी
Right.
पैसा कमाना is not easy at all, but not so difficult either once you cross the gestation period. So
Yeah.
I want to tell everyone through you that there is always a gestation period in everything, be it anything, be even if you're a doctor, if you're an engineer, if you're a professional, if you're a businessman. So we need to give that gestation period to ourselves. We need to travel through that with lot of patience. और अचानक से ऐसा लगता है कि ग्रोथ आ गया अचानक, and I'm sure
Right.
you are also able to relate with me. But the problem with sometimes I have seen, though again it's not a general statement, that we don't want to go through that gestation period. अभी
Right.
जो हम अपने ट्रेनिंग्स में भी देखते हैं, पीपल हु कम दे वांट टू फील दैट अभी अभी अच्छा तुरंत एकदम क्वालिटी काम, एंड एवरीथिंग इज अ क्वालिटी वर्क. I owe whatever you see me today, lot of it is I owe to my mentor, who is I'm very happy to respectfully name her Madam Savitri Parekh. She was the one who really molded me. I took training under her. Now she's the company secretary and compliance officer and legal head of Reliance Industries. And she is the one who really, I'm a product of her scoldings. I'm a product of her bashings. I am a product of her discipline that she inculcated in me, apart from whatever I mentioned in my childhood days. But my training was under her. And every night that I went home, I used to say, I'm not going to go to office tomorrow because I get a lot of scolding. बहुत हो गया. It's too much now. घर पे बाहर I'm not able to handle. But every morning I used to tighten my shoelaces and go back, because I knew that this is a treadmill. If I'm able to run, it's only going to make me run for long number of years.
Right.
But मैंने वो long number of years उस समय नहीं सोचा. I just felt, no, I need to go back and learn. I need to go back and learn.
Right.
So there are two ways of handling what you mentioned. One is either you have the foresightedness in you that you know what you're doing is going to fetch you a lot, but that foresightedness generally in our age and our times we never had.
Yeah.
Okay. So second, what is the strategy? That you please believe in your seniors. If they are telling you something, they actually will always do you good, because they are your seniors and they really will of course go take you to an uptick, and not
Right.
let you go to a wrong phase of life. So I had both. I mean, I was more towards the second one, that I believe that my senior who's teaching me or scolding me is doing it for my own good, and I just need to follow that path.
Right.
And gradually, that added up, builded up, and gave me a palace to then live in. But that
Right.
took me long years.
Right.
So मैं अगर इसको सम अप करना चाहूँ तो ये है, हमें हड़बड़ी नहीं होना चाहिए.
Right.
आपको अपने रिलेशनशिप में भी वक्त देना चाहिए. हर्ष एंड सिद्धार्थ, यू ऑल आर ऑल्सो ग्रोइंग अप. कोई भी रिलेशनशिप हो, चाहे मेंटोर मेंटी का हो, हस्बैंड वाइफ का हो, आपके इन लॉज में हो, आप सोचते हैं हम बस शुरू किया और मुझे सबका प्यार मिल जाए, सबका रिस्पेक्ट मिल जाए, सब कुछ मिल जाए. आपको पहले देना पड़ेगा, फिर आपको मिलेगा. तो
Right.
आप जब देते हैं तो आप शो ही तरीके से आजकल देते हैं. आपको लगता है ओके यू आर ऑन द
हाँ.
कैमरा, यू आर ऑन द स्टेज, ओके,
हाँ.
एंड आज तो अभी जस्ट आप एक नए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आए हो, सो एवरीबडी इज वाचिंग यू. बट व्हेन नोबडी इज वाचिंग यू, even then if you are good and if you're trying to do good, okay, and if you're consistently being that, then you believe me, after 3-4 years it is your goodwill which will travel before your you traveling physically. तो आप कहीं जाते हो ना, तो आप आपका फुटप्रिंट पहले पहुंच जाता है कि व्हाट यू आर, एंड दैट एक्चुअली ब्रिंग्स अ लॉट ऑफ वेलनेस टू whom you are dealing with and to your being as a professional or as a person.
राइट। सो लाइक जो भी मैं अभी आपने बोला उसके अंदर एक जो चीज मेरे साथ स्टिक कर गई वो ये कि जो डिसऑनेस्ट वाली चीज आपने बोली, बिकॉज आई जस्ट रेड इट इन अ बुक द आर्ट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस कि आपकी सेल्फ स्टीम हाई करने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका ये है कि आप ऑनेस्ट रहो। अगर आप
You're right.
ऑनेस्ट हो तो आपकी सेल्फ एस्टीम ऑटोमेटिकली हाई हो जाएगी। एंड वो
सही है।
एकदम क्लिक हुआ इस पॉइंट से कि डिसऑनेस्ट
थैंक यू।
नहीं होना चाहिए आपको अपने प्रोफेशनल रिलेशनशिप में, अदरवाइज भी लाइक देयर इज नो नीड फॉर यू टू गो फॉर दैट। बट थैंक यू सो मच मैम फॉर दिस मेंटल कंडीशनिंग का जो आपने एक लास्ट में कंक्लूजन दिया है कि आप हेस्टिली एक्ट मत करो, लाइक हैव सम पेशेंस एंड थिंग्स विल टर्न आउट, जो
फॉल
भी
इन
होगा।
प्लेस।
या राइट।
सही। एक बच्चा को भी ग्रो होने में टाइम लगता है ना हर्ष। इवन वी हैव टेकन, तो हम क्या कहते हैं, टीथिंग इश्यूज राइट, और
हाँ
ग्रोइंग इश्यूज, वी हैव टू गिव दैट मच टाइम टू आवर सेल्फ. We do not have a magical wand in our hands, unfortunately, for putting all that in place. It takes little time. 3 years is what I say is the gestation period every time. Even when you're coming to a new household, you have to give first that much time, that much energy, that much respect, to gain that in your latter years or later years.
Right. Yes. So, ma'am, now we would like to move on to the next segment, which is the practice, like setting up practice at a very early age and how you dealt with it. So, Siddharth will take that. Siddharth,
Sure.
please go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. I am a lawyer myself, and I am made to understand that in this profession, you have to work under someone, get hands-on experience, then go and set up your own practice. And that too, if you're lucky enough, it will fly. Varna, you come back and do something else. So you took this risk of setting up a practice your very young age, and as you just mentioned, you're number 2598. So just under 3,000 company secretaries practicing. So the first question is what motivated you to go ahead and practice? I mean, you've mentioned that this is something I wanted to do, but what there had to be a driving force. I mean, it could
Yeah.
have been the already existing chartered accountant, company secretary living with you, or just the feel that I want to try out this out. And secondly, I mean, if someone of this age, this young in age, probably 24, 25, wants to set out its own practice today, what are the key takeaways from your end? What is a must do and what is a not to do at all? I mean, of course, being ethical and being truthful. Uh,
I
yes,
understand.
ma'am.
थैंक यू. पता नहीं, एक्चुअली मेरे अंदर एक बहुत बड़ी चाहत है, वो अभी भी है. वो ये है कि मैं बहुत आई बिलीव इन हैविंग माई ओन पहचान. लाइक आई काइंड ऑफ इवन, and it doesn't come easy. I also struggle to actually have it, in the sense that um, I feel that I should be known by my work, by my name. And Siddharth, am I audible? You're able to see me and hear me? Siddharth?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Sorry, the screen seems to have.
So
Okay,
we are just like changing the
okay,
layout
okay.
so that you can be
Fantastic.
visible like
Fantastic.
like to
Okay.
perfectly.
So I have this. I think this was uh, fear, a fiercy need of mine. I guess जब मुझे भी बोला गया ना that you have so many job offers and that too such good ones, why do you want to start practice at all? um, and even today, sometimes people tell me, probably अगर तुम उसमें होती तो आज तुम्हें इतनी सैलरी मिलती, एंड यू वुड हैव 5 secretaries and under you report so many things. I keep listening, but I don't know why I still don't get intrigued by all of it. I have, or beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So having said this sentence, what I mean to say is everything is good and everything is proper. It's just that what attracts you. So job is equally good, practice is also very very good, So I'm not undermining or demeaning anything. It's just that what attracted me is what is important. So I always got attracted to by the fact that I need my own chair. I need my own identity to get built up. I want people to know me by my name rather than anything else. So I think that was actually very high on my mind and my heart, and the pull was so high that in spite of people telling me so many umpteen number of times that go for a job, because CS का जॉब, CS पहले जॉब ओरिएंटेड ही था. आजकल भी आप प्रैक्टिस में देखते हैं बट फिर भी बहुत लोग नहीं है. CS is a degree which actually is, you're reporting to the board of directors, etc. So it's a very good job avenue. बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई मेरे पैर ही उठते नहीं थे जॉब के नाम पे. तो आई ऑलवेज लाइक आई सेड आई स्टार्ट हम्बल बट आई वांट टू हैव माय ओन प्रैक्टिस. And second advantage that I had was I was a keen learner and reader. तो तुम मुझे कोई किताब पढ़ने दोगे तो आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट लाइन एंड आई गो टिल द एंड, including the cover page, the back page. So because I was an all India topper, which denotes that I was very good in my law subjects. तो मेरे जब टीचर्स पढ़ाते थे CS इंस्टीट्यूट में तो फ्रॉम गुड मॉर्निंग से मेरा नोट्स लेना स्टार्ट होता था. So imagine I used to take up every word that he used to say, and I used to end with that thank you and okay, now you need to do this homework. So I was a very avid writer. कुछ भी वो बोल रहे हैं तो I used to just write it because he was an excellent teacher. So and I got first all India first in marks in company law paper in my finals also. So why am I saying this is because I knew that if I'm able to read something I'll be able to, like मुझे पता होता था कि कभी कभी notes में right hand side page में ऊपर वाले level पे मेरा लिखा हुआ है वो. So that much I used to recollect. My memory was very good in terms of studies. Like I used to recollect. एक बार पढ़ लिया तो मेरे को याद रहता था. And in every paper I used to write case laws. So I used to remember even the case laws. So this only gave me a confidence that I can read the law and I'm able to decipher well. I'm able to express it well. So I started getting work on opinions, etc. And then I also remember that time I also used to do work at a fee of 500 rupees too. That was a time in 1997 that I started practice, 97 February. Okay, end of February 1997. तो वर्क फॉर मी वॉज ऑलवेज वर्शिप. आज भी अगर मतलब मुझे कभी भी ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि मुझे इससे नीचे कुछ नहीं करना है. दो एन अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट इज डेफिनेटली समथिंग which everybody now looks at, but what I'm trying to say is work for me was never demeaning by the fees it's going to fetch. If I'm able to add a little bit of value and able to do work, I was always happy. So in those times I used to put myself with a target of कि मुझे आज 500 रुपए पर डे कमाना है. फिर मैंने शुरू किया कि अब 500 is achievable. Let me now think of a target of 1,000 rupees per day. So that is, that was so much fun that till the end of the day I used to struggle. अच्छा आज तो ये नहीं हुआ. Though my family was we were so well placed. Like my husband was anyways working at very high strata. He even my family in-laws background was very very, we were very very comfortable. But मेरा एक अपना drive था अपने लिए. So my own targets, I had to, I always used to fix it and I should always drive myself to my own targets. अच्छा अभी 800 की बिलिंग हुई है, अभी दो 200 क्या करना है, चलो start talking to people, start going to seminars. That's how I used to go to all the seminars, have my cards. I never did loud marketing. Okay, becoming speakers. Okay, so now if somebody is seeing you on the stage, so I used to study. अभी suppose कोई आज बोला कि ममता can you come and speak on a subject tomorrow at 10 o'clock in the morning, I was always ready. If I have to burn the midnight oil I'll do it, but I'll not miss out the speaking opportunity because of the fact that enables me to read, so I gain the advantage of knowledge. Plus people get to know me, get my name. So till today I have lectured maybe 4,500 odd times, and that too without any fees. I've never, even if I used to then talk on the institute platform on the students platform, but they used to give me the money, but I always used to donate it to the library. Even today, I've never taken any money from anyone on the speaking aspect, because I felt it's not, they are not enriching me, it's I am enriching myself. So I think that pressure which I took because I have to do public speaking has molded me extensively. I must admit this. And God has been extremely kind to give me many opportunities to speak on public platform. The fear psychosis hugely gone, the knowledge levels went up, because always the fact that people will ask me questions and I have to prove worthy of it so that people call me the next time, that led me to read and read and read so much that, that helped me increase my client base.
Right.
And that is how what you see me today I am, and
Right.
most
So
of it. And now the second part of the question was, Siddharth asked me, sorry Siddharth, I'll just take it in a flow,
yeah, yeah.
that you asked to what are the few things for the new practitioners avoiding and taking care both. So only two three aspects, because these days the generation is very smart. We But still people like to listen from the horse's mouth, and they do inculcate things, because I keep on talking and people do say, ma'am aapne us samay ye kaha tha, or I am carrying it, then I feel, oh, people do hear, people do listen, and people do take lessons. So one or two things is, in practice one should not be in a hurry, but at the same time one should not be very I mean very lethargic, that come work will come on its own. Work never comes on its own. One has to keep movement, keep on oneself on a moving spree, and meeting people, so that work starts coming in. People say that if you work well, that starts traveling, the word starts traveling on its own, and people will come and give you work. I only say that is still 50%, because if that be the case, because as a professional you can't advertise. So
Hmm.
if I just have to give you an example, that if Thumbs Up and Colgate think that they are the best and they don't need to advertise, I think we are wrong. They still
Right.
advertise, and then only they are on the top of the head of people who then go to the market and purchase those things. So हम फिर क्या खेत की मूली है? So we are, so there are so many people who are giving the same services, then why you? So you need to be seen in the society, I think it's very important, and you need to do something or the other so that you are on top of the people's mind,
Hmm.
because there are so many others who are giving the same services, if not ditto. Okay, ditto है कि नहीं, वो तो तभी possible समझ में आएगा once you have given the work, and then people realize, oh no, he or she was better than him or her.
Hmm.
But by that time that client has already, that one work you have already lost.
Right.
Second is, you have to be hugely available.
Hmm.
Gone are the days when you would think that, okay, I that may happen with doctors still, but I think with professionals, unless you are absolutely in a such a niche, that people will still wait. But given the conundrum situation that we are these days, um, I have to tell you that uh, that there are no boundaries now. People will not wait for you if you're not available,
Hmm.
because the notices, investigations, inspections that happens from government departments and others, they don't wait. They just give you 2 3 days, 5 7 days time. So client अगर आपको खोज रहा है तो आपको immediately available होना होगा.
Right.
That is what I think that I have been able to develop. I'm very savvy with my calls, with my WhatsApp, with my email responses. And third is, I think I always believe in taking some leadership role or the other. God has been kind that it has always endowed me with that. But that takes a lot of toll on your personal commitments, etc. So I have felt that you have to balance your work life, but at the same time, if you look at a balance where you're always thinking that I need to be well entertained, I need to go to a movie every weekend, and I need to go for a shopping, and I need to do this and that and that and this, then I think you're not be able to really balance it so well, because professional commitments are these days extremely high. You need to study, you need to meet people, and you need to be available, etc., for your client calls, etc. So I guess somewhere or the other you will have to maybe sacrifice your personal kind of going to parlors, going to mom's house all the time, or I mean, I don't recollect going to shopping for last maybe 2 3 years. Maybe airport में कुछ समझ में आया तो just pick it up and still feel very good about it. No complaints. Okay, I'll try to make sure that I go for all parties and functions I'm invited to,
Hmm.
but I go for maybe just 10 minutes. You know,
Yeah.
so I make sure that I'm not. People don't say that okay, she's become high-headed, because that's
Hmm.
also a
Hmm.
very
Hmm.
important thing that you need to balance. And I'm being very candid that once people feel that you are very high-headed or you don't have time for work, then you are out,
Right.
because there are many others who are maybe not equally well but doing work. So you need to be still be grounded and also be seen as grounded. So people say that justice is important to be given, but you may have been started to reading that it is also important that justice is seen to be delivered.
Hmm.
So for a professional, you should be good at your work and you should be exceedingly seen that okay, you are good at your work, and that could be done by way of public speaking and also kind of leadership roles, etc., so that you are able to bring well-being to your entire office and your team. I hope I've been able to just kind of.
Yeah. Yes. Yes, ma'am. So Siddharth,
Thank you.
आप अनम्यूट कर सकते हो खुद को वहाँ से. हाँ, या.
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
So
Uh, you did answer the question very, very well. Now, just moving very quickly to last few segments. Ma'am, you have been the past president. You've had n number of trainees working under you. Every year they come and they apply, be it executive pass, be it professional pass. Do you feel that there is any sort of knowledge difference that students carry with them today than the ones who were probably working with you 5 years back down the line, or 10 years down the line, pehle? And if you feel that, also what are the other differences? Now, the knowledge difference, of course, but apart from knowledge, are these students more lazy, or they're more envy? They want to work more, or they want to chill more? If uh,
My trainees will, if they listen to this, will complain later. But I must tell you that I'm very fortunate to have good trainees. And मेरे office में waiting list चलता है 60-65 का. This is how people are so keen to come and work in our organization. But yes, there's a tectonic shift, if I may use that word responsibly. Like these days I've seen people actually come through selective study. हम लोग पढ़ते थे जब हमारे टाइम पे we used to read from page 1 to page 260, but nowadays it's page 7, page 8, that paragraph, this paragraph, page 80 and page 210, I'm done. So therefore that is also obviously taking its toll on the work front, because the holistic knowledge is a little bit kind of I feel that it's lacking, because you're doing very selective study, and your tuition teacher is also giving you specific notes, and you're just doing, so you're more exam ready
hmm.
than professional ready. So exam ready has its own consequences, big and small, and positive and negative. But then when you are in your field of practice and you're trying to learn, then you're also kind of showing up with your work ethics or attitude in that sphere too. You don't want to do everything. You feel that okay, I'm interested in company law, ma'am, I don't want to do insolvency law.
Hmm.
Somebody would say I am good at I want to learn only insolvency law, I don't want to learn about the competition act. Okay, so now I've also see, as a professional, for example, if I talk about a company like Tata's, okay, they were sometime much before times they were known as a conglomerate of salt or software. But now look, from they are into so many things, and they're doing even, how they are got into clothing, etc., and they are doing so exceedingly well. And for that matter, why Tata, Reliance, and also you may see ITC, etc., all of them are doing well in their own spheres, but in different verticals.
Hmm.
Similarly, a professional, I believe that okay, sometimes when a new subject comes in, you always take an early mover advantage by reading about it and getting into the fray before others have actually thought about it. That is where you fare well than the others, because that is where a vision of the boss or the mentor actually matters. So when that happens, we also want our trainees to learn, management staff to pick that up. But at times I've seen that, sometimes they're very wary. They don't want to get into it. They feel, oh, hum CS hai na, I just want to learn Companies Act. I don't want to learn about SME IPO. For that matter, I have been the country's first insolvency professional. I'm
Yeah.
India's first insolvency professional registered. Okay, so
Right.
first mover advantage I took because I got into it. I knew that NPS here, this country will need this insolvency professional. So now I have also started developing, and I have moved on also. The word is
Right.
also to do SME IPOs because there's a frenzy and there's a lot of professional scope, and that falls under the ambit of what work we do. So
Hmm.
definitely, any work that I try to develop for the office, my people will also get an opportunity to work on it because that is how I will like to do it.
Right.
But so sometimes I feel that there is a kind of a blockade in mind that
So,
ओके नहीं हमें तो वही नहीं करना है, हमें तो बस
hmm.
कंपनीज एक्ट ही करना है.
Hmm.
So I'll just take another minute, Harsh. Like in my times, we also used to be sent to the registrar of companies to do filing,
Hmm.
something which you would never like to do because you
Yeah.
see filing is something which somebody else will do. But I tell you, I have learned so much from it because I know where the mistakes could happen, what I should not do, how things to be written. For example, just for an example's sake, there's a sentence in Companies Act in proxy section that a proxy, whenever you write about a proxy, that should be highlighted. Okay, so whenever you write a notice of AGM, if you're writing about the proxy sentence, that should not be in a running handwriting as the other paragraphs are in. That should be either in caps or it should be highlighted because that's a requirement of the law.
Hmm.
Now, once you are actually teaching someone, or you're practicing that law, then you're reading the law time and again every time. So then you move towards being a perfectionist. So
Hmm.
I have seen that in our, I mean, now the current times, people are not so much towards being a perfectionist. अभी जब चलता है एटीट्यूड भी हो गया है. Okay, हो गया, that's
Right.
okay, I've done it.
Right.
So हम लोग अपने जब when we used to go to our mentor, we used to make sure that we read the paper at least thrice, if not four times, before we take it to our mentor because we want to earn brownie points. We
Right.
want to listen good, very good, okay, or we
Right.
used to get a star marking. But nowadays it's not like that. आप एक पेपर लेके बस उसमें हो सकता है आप सपोज एक किसी को प्रिंट आउट निकालने बोले हो. Sorry to just tell you this. I hope some people are able to relate to this. So I've just told a printout nikal ke lao because I want to teach them how to tag the documents. You will see
Hmm.
that in that printout even a small blank page has also creeped in. That person has just picked it up, stapled it, and brought it to me rather than just flipping it and seeing, oh, is that okay? अच्छा नीचे
Right.
वाला line भले ही कट गया तो nobody is bothered. कट गया तो कट गया.
Right.
So I'm only saying that these small little things takes you to the larger things because
Right.
everything starts getting depicted. What is making an ordinary person different than an extraordinary person? What? We all have gone through the same course, maybe same upbringing, etc. These are small,
Small
minute
things.
things.
Right. Right.
Perfectionists is what makes you different, what makes you extraordinary. Your commitments, your exuberance, the way you present yourself, the way you talk, the way you dress,
Right.
okay, the way you eat. When, for example, you go to a seminar, and people will actually you don't realize that, but people will look at the cup of tea that you've picked it up for yourself. Have you offered it to others who are with you, or you've just gone ahead and picked up a tea cup for yourself? Have you offered water if somebody is coughing? I'm telling you, each and everything, maybe we don't realize, but a senior who's looking at you will probably look at you and will judge so many things.
Right. Right. So I can like totally relate to the small things point as well as the point that you are doing the things on the basis of what has been just told to you. Like you are sticking to those words and you are not taking more efforts towards the work. यार चलो थोड़ा सा और देख लेते हैं ना एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं कि ये चीजें हैं या नहीं.
Right.
So like I have been a I don't know I should say it or not, but I've experienced this too when I'm doing this FHI thing, that when I'm hiring interns and all of those things. So
Yes.
I've like experienced this. So yes, so spot on with this. And uh, like moving on to the next segment, which is the Jugaad segment. which we call it. So Siddharth, like go ahead with that.
It's just a very important question nowadays because people are either promoting hard work or they're promoting smart work. No one's telling that both are equally
Yeah.
important. So that's why, be it a subject you don't like, or be it something that you have to do to set up your practice, or be good at your job, there has to be something in which you use a hack. I mean, it's not that you are good at everything, even though you're a perfectionist.
Yes,
So,
correct.
what is that something that you have ever, like, that this is my weak point and this is how I'll work on it. Like, it's a hack I have built over time.
I'm a little I'm a little hesitant to share, but okay, let me do it for the benefit of the larger, you know, larger stuff. Like मुझे याद है मैंने जब प्रैक्टिस शुरू की थी तो ऑब्वियसली आई डिड नॉट हैव सो मेनी क्लाइंट्स बट आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू पोस्ट दैट आई एम वेरी बिजी. Okay. So I used to say, okay, let me just check my diary, sir. I'll just come back to you. But that time, maybe in my diary, I was just having one name. But okay, then I used to just give him a call or her a call. Okay, sir, I have something, but I'll shift that and I'll come and see you. So that
Maybe
was
that
actually
that helped you to like maybe like जो आपने बोला वो काफी लोग करते हैं मैम, बिकॉज ये चीज बहुत ज्यादा
अच्छा.
फेमस है कि फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट. सो ये करते हैं,
No,
मतलब
that is
काफी सारे लोग.
manifestation.
या
That was for
सो
me. It was a manifestation.
राइट कि आप लाइक मे बी इट एड्स अप टू योर क्रेडिबिलिटी कि हाँ अगर इनके पास काम है तो
तो ही
है, ये कुछ
देंगे
तो है.
काम.
राइट राइट कि कुछ तो कर रहे हैं.
That was one hack and jugaad that I used to do. Second is like um, I मेरे को जो भी काम आता है ना I have a habit to just take it. So I used to maybe as a hack I sometimes say that okay I yeah this is something which I've done, but then going back I used to consult with other peer group or seniors or do a lot of research, find out, go to the library, read the case laws. So I think that has really made me a kind of a jugadu in the sense that प्रैक्टिशनर में मेरे को मैं इतने सारे काम कैसे लाइक आई हैव 7 ऑफिसेज across the country. I have so many partners. Though I have relinquished that firm in the sense that I'm a mentor there now. I'm not a partner, but when I relinquished, so I have worked in NBFC matters, stock exchange matters. तो आप MSME तो आपको लगेगा ये कैसे सारे काम कैसे कोई कर सकता है. You can be a specialist of only one. So I have believed in the fact that I need to be a jack of all and maybe a master of one and two. So I want to be a jack of all
राइट
because these days people want to only come to a person who will be able to give you snippets of everything.
राइट.
आपको अगर हर किसी चीज़ के लिए हर 5 जन के पास जाना पड़े तो पीपल आई एम अ बोर्ड मेंबर ऑफ वेरी प्रेस्टिजियस बोर्ड्स. सो व्हेन हम बोर्ड मीटिंग में बात करने बैठते हैं तो कैन आई जस्ट ओनली टॉक ऑफ कंपनीज एक्ट देन व्हाई विल पीपल हायर मी. I also
या
need to know what is the economy all about, what is RERA, what is they will ask me in everything on the law subjects because if I'm a company secretary and a lawyer, people will expect that I know little bit of everything, and I'm very I like in reading everything and anything.
या
सो अनदर हैक वाज लाइक हाँ हाँ ये तो मेरा किया हुआ है ये तो मैं कर लूंगी. बट मेरे साथ ये था कि गॉड हैज़ बीन एक्सट्रीमली काइंड कि मैंने सारे काम मेरे अभी तक में कोई एक काम मेरा खराब हुआ है. And that too because I think I really probably did not monitor it that well in
Oh,
28 years of my practice. मेरा एक काम I still repent that. So that was a cross border work, and we kind of maybe I did not give so much time and I expected my sub staff to do it because they said that they'll be able to pull it well. So I think वो एक काम जो मेरा खराब हुआ है उसके अलावा मेरा कभी I have been able to pull through everything very satisfactorily. So that hack is like you can't have a no as such because आपको हो जाएगा. आपके अंदर विल पावर होना चाहिए to pull it through. और
राइट.
ऐसा क्या है जो आप नहीं कर
नहीं.
सकते.
राइट. सो मैम ये जो आपने भी बोला कि यू से यस टू ईच एंड एवरी वर्क. सो अभी मतलब ये इस प्रैक्टिस के स्टार्टिंग में जब ये चीज होती है तो आई थिंक ये ज्यादा होता है कि आप जो भी
हाँ
आता है यू बिकॉज यू आर
हाँ
बिल्डिंग यू नो बेस फॉर योरसेल्फ, बट अभी भी आप इसी तरीके से ऑपरेट करते हैं मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ योर प्रोफेशनल एस्पायरेशन कि यार ये मेरे को ग्रो करने में मदद करेगा या ये मेरे को कोई नई चीज सिखा देगा,
अभी
अभी
यस
भी यू फॉलो दिस प्रैक्टिस बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग
यस
कि ये मेरे को ग्रो करने में या कुछ नई चीज सिखा देगा, या मैं इसको
नई
हाँ कर
चीज
दूंगी तो मेरे को फिगर आउट करूंगी जब मैं कि यार ये मैंने हाँ तो कर दिया है, अब मेरे ऊपर एक प्रेशर आ गया कि अब मेरे को करना है ये
एग्जैक्टली
चीज, तो
राइट
दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स.
yes yes for me this is how it has worked. So that so if I can just sum it, you have beautifully summed it up, Harsh. So it's like I take pressure on me and my team,
Yeah, right.
and that pressure is what has made me what I am. So and I don't want to get rid of this pressure, because otherwise I'll go like I'll go the usual way. Then I want to be still in that extraordinary mode. So I मेरे पास बहुत टिपिकल काम आता है. नॉर्मल काम मेरे पास नहीं आता है, बिकॉज पीपल फील दैट she may be a little expensive, though I'm not, but people may feel, because Calcutta market has its own limitations. But bahar to people say that you're very economical.
Right.
So I take every work that comes. बस कुछ भी काम आएगा तो I'll professionally अगर है वो काम करने जैसा, तो I'll take it up. I'll pick it up.
बट लाइक टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट दिस इज अ मतलब ये क्वालिटी मेरे को भी अब ऐसा लग रहा है कि आई शुड इनकलकेट दिस इनटू मी कि आप प्रेशर लो एटलीस्ट, बिकॉज अगर आपके
हाँ
ऊपर
प्रेशर.
प्रेशर नहीं है तो यू वोंट बी एबल टू लाइक आप
Yeah.
फिर खुद को सही मतलब इम्प्रूव नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज यू आर नॉट थिंकिंग टू डिलीवर, आप
Yes. Can I
सोचोगे
just give you
तभी.
an example, Harsh?
या श्योर गो
अगर
अहेड.
आपको वेडिंग में जाना है कल, अगर आपको कल वेडिंग में जाना है तो आप 10 दिन से शेविंग नहीं कर रहे हो, बट कल आपको अगर वेडिंग में जाना है तो आप शेविंग भी करोगे, आप अपने कपड़े आयरन भी कराओगे, है ना, आप अपने हेयर कटिंग भी कराओगे, एंड you'll also get your shoes polished, because you know
राइट.
that that is the pressure that you have to go to the wedding party tomorrow. Similarly, if you have something that you have to deliver, you have to, the pressure to deliver, and
या
the pressure to deliver is a new circuit.
या
So I'm telling you that pressure is a real pressure. It's a real pressure. It will like propel you towards work and towards super work, super research. Because you know that you have committed. अब तो आप कमिट कर चुके हो, अब करना क्या है, अब तो करना ही पड़ेगा, अब कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, डिलीवरी डेट आ चुका है, कल
राइट.
आने वाला है. तो जैसे कोर्ट्स की हियरिंग्स होती है ना, तो रात को आप बैठ के पूरी तैयारी करते हो, एग्जाम देने जाते हो तो आप तैयारी करते हो. ये प्रेशर ठीक उसी हिसाब से काम करता है. And then what happens is, then you can write in your profile that you do 50 different work. आप मैजिक सोचो.
या
Then you become a conglomerate.
या
Then people come to you कि इसके पास चले जाओ तो सारे काम हो जाएंगे. So
एंड दैट टू
therefore
विथ
that was
क्वालिटी.
yes, that of course that is without, मतलब मेरे पास कोई आया तो
वो तो
क्वालिटी से ही जाएगा.
या राइट. सो मतलब आप सारे काम भी कर रहे हो एंड यू आर डूइंग इट विद क्वालिटी, तो फिर तो लाइक
Yes,
आपने वो इक्वेशन एकदम ऐसी पकड़ ली कि इस क्लाइंट जो है वो कहीं और उसको जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है,
जाने की
दैट
जरूरत ही
दैट
नहीं.
पर्सन विल
Right.
ऑलवेज लुक अप टू यू.
Yes. And another fact is, in a minute, if I have to tell you, that then you start building your team. You start having infrastructure in place. Okay. You start
या
hiring specialists. So what happens? Your ultimately it's your infrastructure that grows.
या
और उससे
राइट
10 काम और आता है.
राइट राइट. सो मे बी यू आर सेइंग कि फिर आपका ना आप खुद मार्केटिंग नहीं कर रहे, नाउ यू आर नॉट द लोन वॉल्फ, अब वो सभी लोग जो
Correct.
आपके साथ जुड़े हुए हैं वो काम कर रहे हैं एंड दे विल टॉक अबाउट यू एंड दे विल स्प्रेड द वर्ड, और वो वायरलिटी नेटवर्क इफेक्ट्स मे बी इफ आई एम सेइंग द राइट वर्ड,
Yes.
नेटवर्क इफेक्ट्स वो चीज होने लग जाती
Correct.
है. राइट.
Correct. Correct.
राइट. सो मैम जस्ट वांटेड टू लाइक आस्क लाइक लास्ट हमारे दो तीन क्वेश्चंस जो हैं, एक जस्ट एक क्वेश्चन मेरा आया जो आपने अभी बात बोली जैक ऑफ ऑल वाली, उससे निकल करके कि वी वर अर्लियर टॉकिंग अबाउट द परफेक्शनिस्ट थिंग आल्सो कि यू नो यू शुड एटलीस्ट ट्राई टू गेट क्लोजर टू दैट थिंग, आप कितना उसके करीब जा सकते हो, मे बी यू कैन नॉट बी 100% परफेक्ट बट यू कैन बी क्लोज टू दैट. तो जब हम जैक ऑफ ऑल की बात करते हैं कि आप जैक ऑफ ऑल मतलब सबकी अपनी चॉइस है ये कि मास्टर ऑफ वन एंड जैक ऑफ ऑल वाली चीज, जैसे आपने बोला जैक ऑफ ऑल, तो इसमें व्हेन यू आर सेइंग दिस जो टीम वाली चीज होती है क्या आप वो भी मतलब उसको भी कंसिडर करके बोल रहे हैं कि यार जैक ऑफ ऑल इन द सेंस कि आई हैव अ टीम आल्सो, सो नाउ आई कैन यू नो delegate the work, I can get the work done, it means I can get the work done, I will not do the work but I can get the work done, this is a
Correct.
specialty that I have built over a period of time.
Yes, yes, and that is why you see that I'm still able to sit with you for 2 hours, and
Yeah.
because see, it's not actually काम करवाने से ज़्यादा, it's also believe you me, I believe in empowering people. देखो ऐसा भी हो सकता था कि आई कैन कीप ऑल माई नॉलेज टू माई सेल्फ, हो ही सकता था.
Hmm.
ओके, आई कीप ऑल माई बिलिंग टू माई सेल्फ, आई कीप ऑल माई क्लाइंट्स टू माई सेल्फ, मैं ही बात करूंगी, तुम खाली काम करो. आई विल नॉट लेट यू मीट माई क्लाइंट्स, बिकॉज क्या पता कल दिन तुम छोड़ के वो अपना प्रैक्टिस शुरू कर लो, बिकॉज दैट इज वेरी प्रेवलेंट.
Hmm.
राइट. बट मुझे कभी इस चीज़ का घबराहट होता ही नहीं है, बिकॉज आई फील कि ये जो तकदीर है, समय है, वो जिसको जितना मिलना है उसको मिलेगा ही. ओके.
Right.
तो इससे घबराने की कभी कोई बात होनी नहीं चाहिए. कभी डरो मत
Hmm.
कि मेरा ये कोई ले जाएगा. एक विद्या ही ऐसी चीज़ है और हुनर ही ऐसी एक चीज़ है जो आपको जो आप अपने लिए अर्जित करते हो, और वो जितना आप खर्च करते हो उतना वो बढ़ता है. दिस इज समथिंग विच माई मॉम एंड डैड ऑलवेज हैज टॉट मी कि विद्या और हुनर एक ऐसी चीज़ है, जितना उसे खर्च करोगे ना उतना ही वो बढ़ेगा, वो इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है.
Right.
So I have believed in the fact of empowering people, and I'm not a person who believes in accumulating wealth. I've always believed in the fact that I want to just, you know, let everybody be very happy. Let the wisdom be spread. Let the cake be also shared. I should be able to make them feel that they are. It is their own firm, their own company. ओके.
Yeah.
तो मुझे मेरा एक एकदम एक स्ट्रैटेजी, ये कोई मेरे मतलब स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं है, इन द सेंस दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच आई एम लाइक मी. आई एम दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन. So I think that has also helped me to kind of have very good people in the team, and for me they're all extended family,
Right.
nothing less than
Right.
that.
Even when I was working in a startup, the founder used to like say it to me कि treat it कि ये आपका बेबी है, आप ये कंपनी नहीं है, ये आपका बेबी है. आप उस तरीके से सोचोगे तो you'd be able to contribute a lot because आपको केयर रखनी है उसकी. You can't
Absolutely.
afford कि उसको कोई भी नुकसान हो.
Yes, correct.
Yeah,
एक
Siddharth.
हैक जो जो मैं सबको बोलना भी चाहूंगी
Yeah.
कि प्रैक्टिस जब करो ना, यू शुड स्टार्ट स्मॉल. ऑब्वियसली यू विल, शुड मतलब यू विल, but always aim for being coming into that, big 7, big 8 firms, 9 firms, that you should always have the vision that मुझे तो बड़ा होना है. बिकॉज वो विजन अगर नहीं रखेगी ना तो ग्रोथ नहीं हो पाएगा. बिकॉज you just love being mediocre because you don't have to do much.
Yeah.
मीडियोकर रहने में क्या है, जो आया कर लिया, दुकान शटर बंद कर दिया, शाम को घर चले गए, फिर नेक्स्ट डे आ गए. तो दैट्स वेरी इजी टू डू. बट आप अगर शुरू दिन से अपना विजन रखते हो ना कि मुझे तो बहुत बड़ा होना है, तो आप कोलैबोरेशन करते हो. आज के दिन याद रखना है हमें, या पिछले दिनों में भी, कोलैबोरेशन बिना कुछ नहीं हो सकता, कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तो कोलैब करना सीखिए, एंड कोलैब करने के लिए यू हैव टू जस्ट लीव योर कंफर्ट जोन. हम लोग आज इतने कंफर्ट जोन में आ चुके हैं ना कि हमें लगता है कि जो है बस ठीक है, आई एम डन, आई एम ओके. वो कंफर्ट जोन अपने को ब्रेक करके आगे बढ़ना होगा, तब द स्काई इज द लिमिट.
Right. Yeah. Absolutely true. This point is absolutely true. That collaboration point. Like पहली चीज जो कोलेबोरेशन से मेरे को याद आती है वो सिद्धार्थ की आती है, क्योंकि सिद्धार्थ कोलेबोरेटेड विथ मी. यार चलो हाँ हर्ष के साथ जुड़ जाता हूँ, कुछ करते हैं मिलकर.
Right.
So Siddharth, please
एंड सी
go
वेयर
ahead
यू
with.
आर टुडे बिकॉज़ ऑफ द कोलैब.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is also an example of it. Absolutely.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
Hats off to both of you. I'm so happy to see these young chaps doing so well.
Yes, and
Thank you so much, man.
Just when you mentioned that you set your practice in 1997, it just came to light that both of us didn't even exist then. So
Yeah.
we came to life way later. matlab, when the gestation period, as per you, the 3 years gestation period that you give to everything. So now that we've kept on talking to and fro for the last 1.5, 2 years, 2 hours. This one thing that I want to ask, and this is personal, deviating from what I had planned. Is there something you still wish you would have done differently when you look back at time now? Because you're 28 years into practice. And believe it or not, the biggest thing that people regret is having a guilt of काश ये कर लेता, काश वो कर लेता. And I'm just starting out. We all of us, Harsh and I, we're just starting out, and we still have so many guilts. why did I not do this then? Had we done this, we would have been here by now, right? So, but 30 years down the line, probably such small things won't matter. One big thing will stay with you. कि हाँ, this I did right,
I
this I
understand.
did wrong. काश मैं इसको ठीक कर लेता. So that one, what is your काश, that still exists with you. And the second is related to the student. So if you answer this, we'll just quickly do that and
Okay. Um, okay, I'll answer your question, but at the beginning, I have to put a disclaimer that वो काश मुझे कभी bother नहीं करता है. I have to say this. मतलब I'm not a person. Believe me, I'm a person who just moves on. Like for example, when I relinquished my position of a president of ICSI, I, in the sense, did not look back to get that haunted feeling that, oh, now I don't have the chair. Because people have that, believe you me. So I just moved on in a microsecond, if not a second. Okay, in a microsecond, because I felt that okay, jitna matlab jo ho gaya mera, my tenure is done. I'm done now. I need to just move on. So I'm a person who believes in moving on very quickly, except one or two personal setbacks that I had, like I mentioned.
Hmm. Hmm.
Uh, but that also, I was the one who actually pulled myself out of it because I understood that this life cannot move on like this. So I'm a
Right.
person who's extremely, in the sense, mentally strong. I'm very,
Hmm.
very mentally strong, unless I give in.
So, ma'am,
Uh,
is it
अगर
because of?
आज
Yeah, yeah,
बोलो
please
हर्ष
go ahead. Sorry. I thought
बोलो बोलो
like,
बोलो बोलो बोलो
मैम, आई वाज जस्ट आस्किंग कि जैसे आपने मेंशन करा ना कि यू मूव ऑन. सो आई थिंक दिस इज द आर्ट ऑफ डिटैचमेंट. बिकॉज वो
हाँ
अटैचमेंट और डिटैचमेंट का दोनों का ही एक तरीका होता है कि आप अटैच करते हो खुद को एंड देन फिर आप डिटैच कर लेते हो बिकॉज यू रियलाइज कि यार अब आई कैन डू
हाँ
समथिंग एल्स एंड वो मैं कर सकता हूँ. सो जब वो
यस
डिटैचमेंट करते हैं इट बिकम्स वेरी हार्ड बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी हार्ड चॉइस
यस
कि अब मेरे को
हाँ
डिटैच होना है. तो उसके लिए
हाँ
लाइक आप मतलब यू वुड लाइक टू शेयर एक्सपीरियंस जिसके कारण आपके अंदर ये डेवलप हो गया कि यार नहीं, मैं डिटैच कर सकती हूँ, आई कैन डू दिस बिकॉज इट्स वेरी हार्ड.
एक्चुअली हाँ या बट आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू कि पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स में डिटैच होने में बहुत टाइम लगता है.
राइट.
बट वर्ल्डली जो प्लेजर्स है
हम्म.
उससे मैं अपने आप को बहुत जल्दी से डिटैच कर लेती हूँ, बहुत जल्दी. Because I'm not greedy at all. I think that is one reason why I'm able to do it. And second is because I have a lot of faith on the Almighty. एंड आई
या.
फील कि जितना मुझे मिलना है ना वो मेरे को मिल जाएगा. मैं किसी का छीन वीन के और ज़बरदस्ती कुछ करके आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू इट. सो आई जस्ट लीव इट इमीडिएटली. मतलब people say that, I mean, I also have felt that this is a very good quality that God has given me. But हाँ, relationships से detach होने में of course it takes time. और अभी तक नौबत भी नहीं आई है. सेकंड इज अगर तुम मुझे आज पूछो ना तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मे बी अगर मैं डिफरेंट सिटी में होती, for that matter, maybe Bombay. So I think my professional growth, which also brings its other things,
राइट.
that would have been maybe 100, 200, 300 times more.
हम्म. बिकॉज ऑफ द लाइक जो वो आपको मौके मिलते
Length and the
रहते
breadth,
हैं. या.
हाँ
राइट.
मौके मिलते हैं, length and
राइट.
breadth of the opportunities
राइट.
that comes on the palette. But maybe I would not have family love so much then, because family to pura nahi, I still am in a joint family.
हम्म.
So I'm already 30 years into my marriage, and I live in a big family. तो वो फैमिली का प्यार तो फिर शायद नहीं मिलता ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज फिर आप न्यूक्लियर हो जाते, अलग चले
या.
जाते. और फिर अब मेरी डॉटर को जो अपब्रिंगिंग मिला इन अ जॉइंट फैमिली, शी इज ऑल्सो बिकम वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. शी इज स्ट्रॉन्ग हेडेड विद अ वेरी नाइस हार्ट, वार्म हार्ट. थिंक वो सब उसको शायद नहीं मिलता, बिकॉज आप एक जॉइंट फैमिली में बड़े होते हो तो आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता
absolutely.
है.
या.
That was also one of the reason that I always get attracted to a joint family, because I also get more discipline because you have your in-laws. So हाँ, मेरे को भी तो कोई ना कोई डिसिप्लिन किया है पहले से या जो भी, इट ऑल्सो ऑलवेज मैटर्स.
राइट.
सो अगर लुक बैक करती हूँ तो लगता है शायद सिटी डिफरेंट होता तो प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ कुड हैव बीन मच मोर. But
राइट.
apart from that, I really don't. And I feel I could have had one more child. I mean,
या. या.
I have, like, I'm a mother of two. I lost
या.
one, but
या.
मतलब मेरे को लगता है मेरा मदरली लव इज लाइक, आई फील I could have had one more, but now it's too late to think about it. That's on a personal level.
Yeah, right.
And
We do understand this. Do
मैंने
understand.
कभी किसी को बोला नहीं है ये बात, बट ठीक है, कभी कभी tend to become and I feel if I confession is I still feel very underutilized. I feel that
Okay.
I can do much more. I always feel that I am meant to do much more. बट ठीक है, हर आदमी बहुत कुछ चाहता है, बट उतना ही कर पाता है। तो
Right.
बट आई फील कि मेरे अंदर जो एनर्जी है वो शायद अभी और बचा है, जो कि मैं रोज़ भी फील करती हूँ कि मैं शायद कुछ और मेरे अंदर अभी भी और बहुत ज्वाला है, जो आई वांट टू गिव इट टू द सोसाइटी एंड माई सेल्फ। बट ठीक
That
है,
fuel
मूव
to
ऑन।
like contribute. That
या
fuel to
आई स्टिल
contribute.
फील दैट आई एम अंडर यूटिलाइज्ड।
सो इवन हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन जो है वो भी इसी से रिलेटेड है मैम कि व्हाट आर योर फ्यूचर एस्पायरेशंस लाइक पर्सनली एंड प्रोफेशनली, कि यहाँ से आगे क्या मतलब लाइक आप इतना सब कुछ इस लेवल पे आने के बाद में व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट, व्हाट आर यू थिंकिंग आपके एनीथिंग लाइक डू यू वांट टू शेयर इफ यू फील लाइक हाँ आई एम डूइंग दिस, आई एम डूइंग
Yeah, I want to go hugely for women empowerment. Like मैं करती हूँ, but I want to just kind of do more because कितना भी हो, I have felt that थोड़ा तो चाहिए वो बैकअप, थोड़ा पुश चाहिए। एंड दूसरा, आई वांट टू प्रोपगेट एंड टॉक अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट हम लोग अभी अपने वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस को बहुत वो कर चुके हैं, मतलब बहुत डिस्टॉर्ट कर चुके हैं। Like I want to talk about and really propagate and work on the social stock exchange front,
इट?
on the SME IPO front, because I feel I this is very empowering. I love to empower people. I don't know why that is hugely in me. मतलब तुम अगर बोलोगे 2 घंटे किसी को बैठ के कुछ सब्जेक्ट भी बताना है, या उसको मेरे को कुछ पैसे भी दे देने हैं कि चलो वो अपना एक किराने का दुकान भी लगा ले, आई विल लाइक मेरे पास अपने लिए थोड़ा सा भी रह जाएगा तो आई विल जस्ट गो एंड गिव इट टू हिम और हर। लाइक आई एम दैट मच कीन। एंड आई वांट टू जस्ट वांटेड टू से दैट अभी जो एक हो रहा है कि people don't want to get married, they don't want to get into motherhood. Okay, this is a personal choice, though I don't want to comment on that at all, but I feel for work we need not do all this, because कुछ भी सब कुछ रह सकता है, हमें वो मेंटल बैलेंस रखना होगा
Correct.
कि आप सब कुछ के बावजूद भी आप अपना प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ कर सकते हैं। दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल पीपल बाय माय लाइव एग्जांपल।
राइट
और
राइट
मैं ये दिखाना चाहती हूँ कि आप कितना भी गिरें, जो कि मैं बहुत बार गिरी हूँ, बट आपके अंदर वो ताकत होना चाहिए कि आप उठ सके वापस।
या
और वो ताकत सिर्फ आप ही दे सकते हैं अपने आप को। नोबडी एल्स इज गोइंग टू गिव यू अ पुश एट द बैक। You have to do it for yourself. Once or twice people will motivate you, so these things I want to, like I'm doing it in my own small way. And fourth is governance, मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा subject एक ऐसा है, I love that subject very well. So I wish to have a not an institute, I want to have some college, school, campus where I'm able to teach life governance and corporate governance both in future. Maybe if I'm not able to, like, I want to have it in a brick and mortar format, but whatever, like it's a dream that I'm cherishing.
मे बी मैम FHI वुड बी एबल टू लाइक हेल्प यू वहां पर किसी ना किसी तरीके से मे बी दिस इज
Happy to be
ऑल्सो लाइक कुछ ना कुछ है इसका मतलब लाइक वी आर कनेक्टिंग
I'm
एंड वी आर
sure.
सिटिंग, सो कुछ ना कुछ
Yes,
हो सकता है
karmic
आगे
connect
जाके.
कितना की होता नहीं है हर्ष, karmic connect is definitely there. Then
या
why me, why you, why we've come together?
या
I
राइट.
hugely believe in karmic connects.
Yeah, absolutely ma'am, absolutely. So like just wanted to like ask Siddharth for a concluding remarks, and then we can wrap up this session.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, very, very. I didn't know. We didn't plan. Even when we started, we said it will last 40 minutes. You'll have to just answer a few of our questions. But it went to such an extent where everything comes out. You keep on talking, and then
Yeah.
you get into that zone where you're like, "Huh, maybe I could have done this, that." So beautiful answers, ma'am. I saw. I mean, if anyone who's a smart listener, and if he listens to you, he'll realize that you've actually covered everything. The art of moving on, something that people don't
Yeah.
realize today, because they get stuck in a loop of probably failing examinations, failing their job, they're not able to move on. They're not able to decide what to do in the next chapter of their life. And detachment, being at the top position and leaving it and forgetting in a microsecond, that is something, that has to be, or else it always goes down as a story that is sad. It's always a sad story,
True.
that, oh, I was there, but now I have to leave and this and that. But it's just how positively you've taken through us through the entire journey,
Yeah.
podcast ki, matlab, you've started from the childhood and you've told us ki what you want now also. And there's still that vigor.
Yeah.
Ki, nahi, I'm going to do more. Um, it's amazing, man. It's amazing. It's
So much.
very rare
Thank you
that,
so much.
it's very, very rare.
Siddharth, don't shout those words, not
No,
required. It's just that it's embarrassing to also get so many accolades from you or Harsh. That's okay. If any life is moved, I have also been fortunate to get a teacher and a mentor, and my parents, my in-laws, who one form or the other, my husband, my daughter, only want to leave a sentence behind is that let's get into a world of interdependence. We are too much independent, where we don't want to we are not talking to people, we are not mingling, we feel कि मेरे पास सब कुछ है, मेरे तो अपने रूम में दुनिया मुट्ठी में, so believe you me, it's very nice to ask things from people, to mingle, to talk, to feel weak at times, to cry, to have a shoulder. So everything matters a lot in a human aspect. So too much of independence is also a khatre ki ghanti.
Yeah, right, ma'am. Absolutely. So, ma'am, thank you so much for doing this.
Thanks.
Like, honestly speaking, 40 minutes to 1 hour 30 minutes, it's a huge commitment that you have given to us. And I hope कि आपको हमसे बात करके like you
बहुत मजा
felt
आया.
कि अच्छा लगा होगा आपको. And to be very honest, ma'am, we were nervous क्योंकि ये first podcast था हमारा and we are calling such a like esteemed personality. So हम वो थे थोड़े से घबराए हुए कि हम क्या बोलेंगे, हम कैसे पूछेंगे, कैसे हम लाइक मैम रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे तो हम कैसे फॉलो अप करेंगे. बट आई होप कि जहाँ जहाँ भी हमने फंबल करा है विल लर्न फ्रॉम दैट. एंड दिस इज द वन थिंग दैट आई एम टेकिंग फ्रॉम दिस कि आप अगर ऐसा होता भी है, यू फील कि आपने वही वो चीज नहीं डिलीवर करी, तो यू वर्क ऑन इट एंड यू कम अप अगेन.
Yes,
या
absolutely.
thank you
थैंक यू
so
सो
much.
मच मैम. थैंक यू
But
सो
you
मच.
haven't. But you haven't. You both haven't fumbled. I must say that. But even if you have, it's exciting because it's original. It's natural.
या थैंक यू सो मच
Chalo.
मैम.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much,
much.
man.
Thank you
या
so much for sparing us so much time.